Hi, this has been overall a really insightful class. I appreciate everything you've done and getting to work with you, um, however remotely. One of the things that I kind of found interesting in doing my cultural presentation was not so much that culture affects us differently and affects the way that we interact in schools, but was more about if we are having students that are coming in as immigrants, more about what type of schools were they in and how is that important to know. So for instance, like I did my report on Muslim immigrants, and not only are they going to struggle based on the obvious things such as language or cultural adaptation in society, but one of the things I think we don't think about is what is a school for a Muslim kid in his Muslim country. And in this case, schools are based on rote learning. They're based on memorization of the Quran. They're based on doing what your elders say and staying in line and, making sure that you are following authority and respecting authority. Where in American schools, it's more about creative reasoning and processing things independently and coming up with new solutions and problem solving and being independent in your learning styles. And it's all of this individualism and this encouragement of us to develop and foster these abilities to think on our own and think outside of the box that these children aren't exposed to or expected to do. So I'm actually doing a presentation on one of my other classes that's geared toward teachers and understanding that type of difference, not just culturally. Like I said, just they came from a Muslim society, another an American society. That's different. That's hard. Yes. But more than that, what else can we inform teachers? And I think that's something that's important to know going into a school as a school psychologist is where are these kids falling behind, and maybe what are some things we can put in place rather than looking at special education that we can help support them or help support their teachers in understanding so that they can grow and learn in our education system. That might be one of the big problems.